Hi there, students and parents. This is my weekly video of what I call a look ahead. What I'm going to do in these weekly videos is every Friday post the video on what we'll be doing in the next week. So we're going to look ahead briefly and know what to expect for our next week of schoolwork. So for next week, we in European history will be first of all, reviewing and talking about what to expect for our big test, which is going to be on Tuesday. So we'll do that on Monday and then take our big test on Tuesday. So hopefully, students, you are properly preparing and doing everything that you need to do to be ready for that Renaissance test. Then Wednesday through Friday, we will be taking notes on the Protestant Reformation. That is our new chapter after the Renaissance. We'll start a little bit of this on Monday and then address it again on Wednesday as well as Thursday. By Friday, we will be ready for our first quiz on the Protestant Reformation, and I'll be giving you those details later in the week of what you need to be studying. So that is a look ahead. In AP European History, you know how to get in touch with me if you need me. I'm always available through the inbox messaging. Just make sure you don't do it past 8:30 at night, or you won't hear from me until the next morning. And keep working hard. Read these daily announcements that I put on the homepage so you know what to do every single day on Canvas. And again, hope this gives you a quick look ahead into what we're going to be doing next week.